Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out in Christiana, almost to Bell Buckle, Tennessee today, and we're getting this deck ready for a stain. It will be the first time we've used a really heavy pigmented gray toned stain, but today we're just prepping it. And to prep it, now this is about 2 years old. There's no mold or mildew on it. It's still in good shape because it's covered, but we're starting with the sodium percarbonate to actually clean, and you can see the difference between not cleaned yet and the sodium percarbonate. You know, it's doing its thing to cleaned. This has been cleaned, but all of this has been cleaned. But that's not the only step. The very last step is for opening up the wood is to brighten, rebalance the wood from the percarbonate with an acid. So we got an acylic acid that's going to rebalance the wood, and it's going to cause it to pop bright. And I can show you right here where I sprayed. This has been sprayed with our final treatment, and it's just waiting to be rinsed. But if you can tell, right, see that board right there? See where I stopped spraying? Right there. And you can see where I sprayed over this way, and you can see where that right there, folks, is the difference between just cleaning and brightening. So even if I was just not going to be staining and I was just prepping it for them to stain, which happens, or they just wanted it cleaned, I would still be doing this final step to rebalance the wood, the pH of the wood, and to make it pop bright. When this will look like they just slapped it down when this gets done. And this is about 2 years old. So we're going to be coming in here in probably a week, because it would need to sit for 2 days to dry at least. But in 2 days we got rain, so that puts us off another almost a week. But we're going to be coming in here with an extremely heavy pigment, and that's going to be a different deal, and I'll go through that when we get time. But anyway, I'm going to rinse that off. And then we're going to start our brightening, going all the way around, and get out of here and come back when I get the stain in hand, and we get a nice day of look at that stuff bubble up and get that dirt and anything off that wood. It's beautiful. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.